Again, it's a matter of being in the right place at the right time. Mike Ovitz called me up and said, "You interested in doing Mission Impossible with Tom Cruise?" I said, "Are you kidding? Of course." Because I was determined to make a huge hit. And I said, with Tom Cruise, Mission Impossible, I'm ready. So this was a situation where whatever Tom wanted to do, they would make. They didn't care. They just wanted to make Tom Cruise in Mission Impossible. Tom, on the other hand, of course, his first picture he's producing, wanted it to be exactly right. So I got a hold of David Koepp, who wrote Carlito's Way, to do the script. When we got through the David Koepp script, and they liked the script, Tom, of course, he had things, character things that were bothering him he wasn't happy with. I said, Tom, you've got to walk into Sherry's office with me and say you want to make this movie or we're going nowhere. And I finally got him to say yes, he would make this script. The next phone call I got the next morning was a call from Paula. She said, the good news is we're a go picture. The bad news is we're firing David Koepp and we're bringing on Robert Towne. Tom felt that Towne could bring some character things to it. Well, how do you convey this to your pal